Your body isn't broken. It's healing every second of every day. But here's the problem. Most of us unintentionally block the healing process through stress and fear and outdated beliefs about what is possible. Right now, as you sit here, your body is repairing and regenerating and restoring itself. It's not waiting for permission. It's not waiting for external medicine. It's already happening. Your body is your greatest ally in healing. By the end of this lesson, you will understand why your body is always healing, even when it doesn't feel like it. The science of regeneration, epigenetics, and neuroplasticity, and why this means you are not stuck with illness, the biggest hidden blocks stopping you from healing, and how to activate your body's self-healing mechanisms, starting today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with a simple question. If your body wasn't designed to heal, how would you even be alive right now? Think about it. If you cut your finger, does it stay open forever? No, it heals. If you break a bone, does it stay broken? No, it heals. If you get a cold, do you stay sick forever? No, you heal. This isn't just a coincidence. It's biological intelligence. Your body is a self-repairing system. And the problem? Most people interrupt this natural healing without even realizing it. Let's break down what's actually happening inside your body right now. Your body is regenerating every moment. You are not the same person you were last year. Your body is constantly replacing old cells with new ones. Your skin renews itself every 27 days. Your gut lining repairs itself every 5 days. Your liver can regenerate completely even after damage. You are literally becoming a new person. So why do we get stuck in chronic illness, pain, and dysfunction? It's not because healing isn't happening. It's because the environment inside your body is blocking it. You are not a prisoner of your DNA. Let's bust a myth right now. You are not controlled by your genes. Most people think that if they have a family history or illness, they're destined to get sick. But science has proven your genes are not your destiny. Your genes are like light switches. They can be turned on or off based on the food you eat, the thoughts you think, the emotions you hold on to, and the stress you carry. Your environment shapes your health more than your genetics. This means you have more control than you think. Every thought you think sends a signal to your body. Fear, stress, and doubt, they create inflammation. Gratitude, trust, and belief, they activate healing pathways. Your brain is always rewiring itself, so make sure it's rewiring in your favor. So if you've been stuck in pain and fatigue or chronic illness, your brain and body have simply been repeating old patterns. But guess what? Those patterns can be rewired. So, if your body is designed to heal, what is stopping you? Here are the 3 biggest blocks to self-healing. Number 1, chronic stress and overwhelm. It keeps your body stuck in fight or flight, shutting down repair. Number 2, toxic thoughts and emotional suppression. They create inflammation at a cellular level. Number 3, not trusting your body. When you believe you are broken, your beliefs about healing create your reality. So today, we're going to shift that. Here's a summary of this lesson. Healing isn't something you do. It's something your body is already doing. Here are the key takeaways. Your body is constantly regenerating and repairing itself. You are not controlled by your genes. Your environment matters more. Your thoughts and emotions and beliefs directly impact your healing. Now let's activate your body's healing response. Your body is waiting for you to say yes to healing. Now, I want you to close your eyes and breathe deeply in and out. And visualize a golden light inside your chest, a source of pure healing energy. See it expanding, moving through your entire body, regenerating every cell. Your body knows exactly how to heal. You are safe and you are whole. You are already healing.